Why trade finance matters a lot, especially in the COVID-19 situation. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected millions of businesses, and they were desperately looking out for financial help. On the other hand, the economic condition of the banking sectors was completely collapsed, and they were not in the place to provide any financial support to their clients. In such a crisis, the only thing that supports traders to run their business is trade finance. Trade finance bridges the financial gap between buyers and sellers, which helps them to conclude their trade deals on time. Trade finance facilities available for imports and exports include letter of credit, standby letter of credit, bank guarantees, bank comfort letter. As a trade finance expert, we understand the extent to which the pandemic has affected the businesses and their cash flows. If you are a trader who faces a lack of cash flow to conclude your deals on time, or you are facing a lack of bank facilities to get the required instrument from your bank, you can contact us at any time. We lend our own existing bank facility available in European banks to provide L.C, SBLC, and BG at zero collateral. For more info, contact us today. Email us, support@bwtradefinance.com. Call us, 971-455-19699. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom, 9715046487761. Visit www.bwtradefinance.com.